In this video, we have a ton of news for cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, especially Dogecoin that you cannot miss. We're also going to be covering some price predictions for Dogecoin in the month of July. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin and cover cryptocurrency news. I also teach you how to make money in the crypto market. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. I give away Doge every single week. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, put something in the comments below, and follow my Instagram and Twitter. But let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for the love of Dogecoin, for the love of cryptocurrency, so we can break the algorithm. And also put it in the comments below your price prediction for Dogecoin, the end of the month of July, and also the end of the month of the year. I'm interested to see what you all have to say about your price predictions. And if you want to get my daily trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you want to join the 4,000 member Discord, you can talk to me on the phone so we can build you a portfolio. And I also give lessons on technical analysis. Join the Patreon, which is in the top pinned comment or in the video's description. So taking a look at the coin market cap, where we can just take an overview of cryptocurrencies, we are seeing Bitcoin, and most cryptos are actually down. Cardano is turning green right now. Binance is turning green. A lot of the altcoins are starting to flip green, which is really good. And Ethereum is up 4% today. Today we woke up and we've seen cryptos down a little bit, which is healthy. It's good to see a little bit of red, especially after a big move, a big green and bullish move yesterday. So here we are, we're seeing a little bit of red, but now that red is starting to turn to green. It is looking very good, very healthy for cryptos. Dogecoin was down about 10% today, and we've come up since the bottom. We bounced up a little bit, and we're just down 4.5%, which could easily turn into green here very soon. If we look at the trading volume for Dogecoin, it's only down about 7%. So a low volume day for cryptocurrencies, especially Dogecoin. Now, just an update on the Wyckoff accumulation. I showed you all, and a lot of us already know about the Wyckoff distribution, and now we are in the accumulation phase for Bitcoin. And it's very important to take a look at this chart. But what we are seeing is we're seeing this accumulation, this Wyckoff accumulation pattern play out exactly for Bitcoin. And this is very good because the distribution played out perfectly. But also now we're in that second part of it. We are in the accumulation phase. So a lot of people are accumulating, they're buying cryptos right now. But if this does play out, as it has already been playing out one for one, it gives us the likelihood that maybe by now and potentially July 10th or so, we could start treading towards 42,000. That's what this chart is giving us, an indication that that's certainly possible. But it's also letting us know, most importantly, that we are headed up. Here we are with the accumulation phase, and that we already bounced off the bottom. That most likely, if we do play out according to this accumulation phase, we're not going to see any more crazy drops. Bitcoin is not going to see 30,000, and it's not even going to go under 34,000. That's what this chart is indicating. So it looks like we are continuing to follow this chart, this accumulation, which is very good. If this does play out, that means cryptocurrencies are going to be only moving up from here. Yes, we can see red days. Yes, we can go down. But if you zoom out, you will see a clear and consistent uptrend, and us going higher and higher and higher with higher highs and higher lows. So this is very bullish, especially for it to happen in the bullish month of July, which is a historically bullish month. And here's a really cool piece of news regarding Dogecoin. So there's a Dogecoin millionaire, one of the early Dogecoin investors. He's a millionaire off of Dogecoin, and he's launching a game on Saturday where the rewards of the game are going to be Dogecoin and NFTs, which is really cool to see. So the game is apparently launching Saturday, and they're giving away 1 million Doge, which is about $260,000 worth right now. So I'm definitely going to try to be playing this game. This seems really fun. And check out this: Ethereum 2.0 approaches a 6 million staked ETH milestone. So now there is 10 times more Ether that is staked on Ethereum, ahead of the updates that are coming out this month. The London hard fork coming out in July, and then Ethereum 2.0 can be continually rolled out this year. There's not an exact date when Ethereum 2.0 will be fully established, but they are working on converting Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake. So this is very bullish. So when there's a huge amount of people starting to jump into Ethereum, especially staking it, which means they're super long term, This shows you that the bullish momentum is strong, that it is there, and that there's a lot of people staking all of this ether. They see the future of Ethereum. They understand where it's going, and that is awesome to see. So if you look on the news, if you see in the media, yeah, people are talking smack about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, kind of trying to scare people away. That's why there's not much volume right now. But behind the scenes, that's what the whales are doing. The whales are buying, they're accumulating, they're getting into these cryptos right now. We're seeing banks and all of these money, all of these big whales, all of the big money right now, the institutions, they're jumping into cryptocurrencies right now while they're trying to scare you at the same time so that they can accumulate as much of cryptocurrencies, as much of Dogecoin, as much Ethereum as they can while it is super cheap. Some more very bullish news. Look at this. NYDIG and NCR partnership lets 650 US banks offer Bitcoin services. I've been telling you all about this the last couple of weeks. We're starting to see institutions just come out left and right every single day, almost every single week. Countries, institutions, banks, they're all jumping into cryptocurrencies right now. Why are they jumping in cryptocurrencies right now? Because they understand that cryptocurrencies are the future. They understand that these are the best investments to get. So with these banks, they're having an estimated 24 million people who through these banks are going to be able to purchase cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So this is awesome. So if 24 million people are now going to be able to get involved with this small partnership in the cryptocurrencies, that's billions of dollars. How much more in 6 months down the road from now? How many more banks will be offering cryptocurrencies? How many more institutions will be offering their clients the ability to buy cryptocurrencies? Not only Bitcoin, that's kind of like what they're starting with. A lot of banks and institutions are starting with Bitcoin, they're starting with Ethereum, and then it's going to be Dogecoin, then it's going to be Litecoin, then it's going to be Cardano, then it's going to be all of the other altcoins. So they're just getting their feet wet. And once people start to get their feet wet, they jump in the pool and they realize, wow, this is the way to go. Then people will get more accustomed to getting into altcoins. But all of this is just bringing money into the overall crypto market cap, which will bring up every cryptocurrency with it. So what we can gather from this is we're just seeing each and every week someone else is adopting Bitcoin, some other country, some other institution. They're all jumping in cryptocurrencies, and this is really big. It might not have an effect on the price right now or tomorrow or maybe next week, but in 30 days, 90 days from now, by the end of the year, this is going to have a drastic effect that's going to bring up the price of cryptos very strong and very fast. And if we take a look at the crypto fear and greed index, we are seeing that fear is beginning now to dissipate. A lot of that all of that FUD, all of the stupid media posts about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrencies, scaring people away is having less of an effect on people, which is really good because all of the weak hands, all of the paper hands are now out of the market, and it's just the diamond hands. And now while people with diamond hands are holding, the accumulation is just beginning, and it's going to start taking place even more, which is going to bring up the price of cryptocurrencies here very soon. That's why I think in the month of July, things are really going to start popping off for crypto. But there's going to be even more bullish months towards the end of the year. September, October, November. These months are going to be extremely bullish, where we could potentially see Bitcoin over 150,000 to 200,000. That's how much money is going to be jumping in cryptos by the end of the year. There's so much more money that's going to be put into crypto this next bull run than there was the previous bull run that we had a couple of months ago that was lasting for hundreds of days. And now that there's more people going to be exposed to cryptocurrencies, when these things really start to take off, the FOMO is going to be like 10x, 20x, 30x, 50x, and it's going to get more and more each and every single year. So that's why people are projecting, that's why experts are projecting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to hit 500,000, even to $1 million. That's why they're projecting Ethereum to hit 30 to 50,000, potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars per Ethereum coin. And that's why people like myself are also saying Dogecoin can easily hit $2 to $3. If Bitcoin hits 200,000 and above, Dogecoin can easily hit $2.50. If Ethereum is 20 to 30K by the end of the year, what do you think is going to happen to Dogecoin? Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, but if you want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free. Use my iTrust Capital, which is in my top pin comment or my video's description, and WEBULL is now giving away 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. All you have to do is deposit $100 and they're going to send you those free stocks, which you can buy Dogecoin, cryptocurrencies, or stocks with, or you can just send that money to your bank account. Most importantly, let's go ahead and dive into some technical analysis with Dogecoin. I'm going to take a look at Ethereum and Bitcoin just briefly, but we're also going to be doing a price prediction for the month of July. So on the 30-minute time frame, we are just seeing a very clear and consistent uptrend with Bitcoin. It's very good to see this. With Ethereum really popped off today. Ethereum came down a little bit. I was waiting to see. We did get a double bottom right here, which is awesome to see, but then we were just bouncing up very strong, and we did break a strong level of resistance that we had trouble with previously. On the 20th of June, we came up to this level and got rejected, which is approximately 2250, and we smashed that. We broke that and we came above nearly 2300. So it's good to see that. So Ethereum is still looking very bullish. So yesterday, Dogecoin did see some green movement and we came up almost to 28 cents. And since that number, we came down. But look at this, it's looking like a reversal pattern playing out. We are seeing a bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Now there is a very, very high chance every time we have seen this on this channel, the inverse head and shoulders playing out pretty much 90% of the time. We do get a big breakout, which I think this breakout could potentially take us to 28 cents. But we've been having difficulty with this level, 27.5, 28 cents over and over again. But I think if we can pump, if we can break out from this pattern, as we're seeing Ethereum starting to pump, we're seeing Bitcoin is starting to move up, we're seeing all of these other coins starting to move up. If Dogecoin can continue with those momentums, I think we can easily surpass that 28 cent level of resistance. Look at this, 28 cents. We've just been having strong difficulty trying to surpass, but I think the next time we come to knock on that door, that we're going to surpass it, because we're just seeing this clear uptrend ever since this bottom right here. We had a double bottom with the inverse head and shoulders. It played out, came up to this top, and we came down. We consolidated for a little bit, having a bit of a bullish flag. If we zoom out, we're able to see that, but we are actually moving up. Yes, we've seen a little bit of a drop. All these people are like, oh my gosh, Dogecoin is crashing, Dogecoin is going down again. Yes, things can't just go straight up. Dogecoin is down from this top yesterday 13%, and now is back up. So from yesterday's top, we're down about 8%. But let's take a look at the bottom. If you take a look at the bottom, where Dogecoin bounced off of to where we're at now, we are up 54% in the last, let me see how many days that was, approximately 8 days. In the last 8 days, we are up 57% if you would have bought that bottom that I did announce in the Patreon. But if you would have sold at the top, you would have made approximately 74%. So we are actually significantly up from the bottom. We were just at 16 cents. So this reversal pattern is seeming to be playing out right now, which will take us most likely above 28 cents. That's my personal opinion. That's what I personally think is going to happen. But this is just my opinion. Anything can happen. A tweet can come out. Some type of news can come out and crash the markets. Yeah, that's all possible. But I think the paper hands are out of the market. And this is looking like a very strong, on a technical level, a very strong reversal pattern about to play out. So as far as my price prediction is concerned for Dogecoin in the month of July, if things do continue to go bullish, to move up as they are expected without any type of crazy good news for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, I'm expecting Dogecoin honestly to be in the 40 to 50 cent range for July. That is my bullish, optimistic price prediction for Dogecoin in the month of July. If some really good news comes out, like Elon Musk starts coming out and tweeting again, they announced Dogecoin is going to be accepted as a payment for Tesla vehicles. That type of news can send Dogecoin back to all-time highs and further. We've seen Dogecoin do some crazy things. We've seen Dogecoin go from 5 cents basically all the way to 73 cents in a very short period of time. So big pumps like that, I believe, will happen again many more times for the history of Dogecoin. But realistically, a more bearish type of prediction for Dogecoin, honestly, I think we could, by the end of the month of July, if things slowly continue to climb up, I think we could be in the high 30s to the low to mid 40s. That's kind of like my bearish price prediction. But my honest opinion, I'm thinking that we're going to be in the 40s and 50s. And then, you know, when something good, crazy news comes out, we could be at 60s, 70s, 80 cents, dollar. Those are all possibilities. And the end of the year, if cryptos do pop off like they're supposed to, like they're projected, and Bitcoin's a couple 100,000, Ethereum's 20K, 18K. I think Dogecoin could easily be $2, $2.50. We could even see numbers as high as $3 and above. Realistically, I think we can easily hit $1.50 to $2 by the end of the year. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with some of your friends and family. Check out the Patreon, which is in my video description, so we can help you make some money. And I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you very much.